Cardinals University, attention.
Out of 33 Little Rock, I'm coming to this perimeter.
CFS received. CFS comments added.
Show me your hands. Get out of the car with your hands up.
Come to me, dude. Come to me.
Keep your hands up.
Iris, take down Castro Normandy.
Get on the ground.
Clear.
Traffic at 2340. Any units en route, reduce code. Units en route, reduce code.
Little Rock, we got him stopped.
CFS comments added.
Yep, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, he started to slow run. I was like, well,
He didn't want that.
I don't know if he was going to take back off or not, so I went ahead and
There's
put the
something
bumper
wrong
on
with
him.
the car, but I was like, if you come any further, we're going to hit. We're like right there.
Yeah.